how to buy GoFundMe token. So this token came under the symbol of GFM. So GoFundMe, it just released a new token. As you can see, this post on the REX account. So alright, Trench Warriors, we are trying to something fun, launching GFM token, a fully community-owned meme coin experiment. No VCS, no team, just vibes. It's on open source, launched where 100% of protocol fees go straight to GFM holders. So problem solved, right? Let's see. So before going on by this token, but before that, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go to below, find your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on PubFund, as you can see here. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. This token is under the Solana network. Now what you need to do, open your funds wallet from that, click on swap here, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, click here and paste the token address. So this is our token, click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is enough. So let's select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all this information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page with the slippage from here or customer, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy GFM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.